As we go to this new year, please focus on the real blessings of your life. In fiesta, after the morning mass, I asked Mama, bilhin naman niyo ako ng balloon. Balloon was available only once a year, fiesta time. Makakakita kami ng balloon. And for a little child to have a balloon, wow, you got it made, man. Masikat ka, may balloon ka. Not only that, mayroong ice cream. Yung dirty ice cream. Picture this, Jerry with a balloon and the ice cream. That was the most beautiful moment for me. And I was so happy eating my ice cream. And what happened? Naku, nabitawan ko yung balloon. Up and away. Nawala yung balloon. I was crying. I was pointing at the, Mama, balloon, balloon. And then I heard Mama's voice. Sabi niya, Jerry, you eat your ice cream. Natutunaw na yung ice cream mo. That was a simple woman that taught me a lot of things. You know, mga kapatid, marami sa atin, we're so focused on the balloons, we could take pride, dinidisplay pa natin. At nung nawala, nandun na lahat. Parang yun na lang, that was your whole thing. And you forget, you still have your blessings. Your real blessings.